Welcome to Byrappa and Sons. Today I'll be showing you a very beautiful collections of Kalamkari saris. These are just new arrival. As you can see, they are extremely beautiful. The color combination is beautiful. These are all hand painted and these are all washable. The material is also extremely soft and the border also comes with an embossed design and you get a very nice tassels. This is the blouse for the sari. So I'll be showing you a very extremely beautiful designs. All of these saris are very unique and very top-notch color combinations. These saris are available only at Byrappa and Sons older showroom, and these materials are all washable, so you need not worry about the color combinations. They are 100% guaranteed. All of these saris are manufactured and made, printed, dyed, everything is done in Jaipur. Extremely good color combinations. If you like this video, you want to share it with someone who is interested in buying Kalamkari saris, please share the video as well. See how beautiful the combinations are. The printing is extremely beautiful and very detailing. The detailing of the design is highlighted. And the border also comes with a jari stripes work. There are a lot of designs available. I won't be able to show you each and every design in this video. So if you want to see more collections, you can always give me a contact on WhatsApp, which the number is displayed on the screen. See how this beautiful the saree looks. Extremely gorgeous. A purple combination. The painting and the design is top notch. It comes with a green color also, a very beautiful green color sari, and you can see even in the border also there is a temple design. Very neatly done, very nicely done. See how beautiful the border of the sari is. Extremely beautiful. So you like any of the sari, you can please contact me. If you want to order through online also, you can contact me. All the shipping will be free throughout India. The material is so soft that for the summer season you can wear it at very ease and comfort. Check out this beautiful pastel shade sari. See how beautiful the sari is. Amazing color combinations and designs. If you like any of this video, you can please share, and if you want to buy it online, you can take a screenshot and send it to me. And if you want to visit the store, please contact me before you come to Chickpet, because there are many Byrappa and Sons showrooms over here, so you might get confused.